Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to get a Monzo card. I've been using Monzo for a few years now, and I absolutely love it. It's a great way to manage your money, and it's also a lot of fun to use. So, if you're interested in learning more about Monzo, or if you're thinking about getting a Monzo card, then be sure to watch this video all the way through. What is Monzo? Before we get into the details of how to get a Monzo card, let's take a quick look at what Monzo is. Monzo is a mobile-first bank account. This means that you can manage your money from your phone or tablet. Monzo offers a variety of features, including free international spending. This means that you can use your Monzo card anywhere in the world without being charged any fees. Instant notifications. Every time you make a transaction, you will receive an instant notification on your phone. Roundups. You can set up roundups to automatically round up your purchases to the nearest pound. The rounded up money is then transferred to a separate pot. Goals. You can set up goals to save for specific things, such as a new car or a holiday. Splitting bills. You can easily split bills with your friends and family. How to get a Monzo card. Now that you know a little bit about Monzo, let's get into the details of how to get a Monzo card. There are two ways to get a Monzo card. Online, you can apply for a Monzo card online. In-app, you can apply for a Monzo card through the Monzo app. Applying for a Monzo card online. If you want to apply for a Monzo card online, you can follow these steps. Go to the Monzo website. Click on the Get a Monzo Card button. Enter your personal details, such as your name, date of birth, and address. Choose your card color. Verify your identity. Wait for your card to arrive. Applying for a Monzo card through the Monzo app. If you want to apply for a Monzo card through the Monzo app, you can follow these steps. Download the Monzo app. Open the Monzo app. Click on the Sign Up button. Enter your personal details, such as your name, date of birth, and address. Choose your card color. Verify your identity. Wait for your card to arrive. Once you have your Monzo card, you can start using it right away. You can use your Monzo card to make purchases online and in-store. You can also use your Monzo card to withdraw cash from ATMs. Using your Monzo card. Here are a few tips for using your Monzo card. Set up spending limits. You can set up spending limits for your Monzo card. This can help you to stay on budget. Use the Monzo app. The Monzo app is a great way to manage your money. You can track your spending, set up goals, and more. Use the Monzo chatbot. The Monzo chatbot is a great way to get help with your Monzo account. You can ask the chatbot questions about your account, and the chatbot will be able to help you. Pros and cons of Monzo. Now that we've covered how to get a Monzo card and how to use it, let's take a look at some of the pros and cons of Monzo. Pros. Free international spending. This is a great benefit if you travel a lot. Instant notifications. This helps you to keep track of your spending. Roundups. This is a great way to save money without even realizing it. Goals. This is a great way to save for specific things. Splitting bills. This is a great way to split bills with your friends and family. Easy to use. The Monzo app is very easy to use. Good customer service. Monzo has good customer service. Cons. No overdraft protection. This means that you could be charged fees if you overspend. Limited number of ATMs. Monzo doesn't have as many ATMs as some other banks. Not available in all countries. Monzo is not available in all countries. Overall, I think that Monzo is a great bank account. It offers a lot of features that are useful for everyday banking. If you're looking for a bank account that is easy to use and offers a variety of features, then I would recommend Monzo. So, that's how to get a Monzo card. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video about how to get a Monzo card. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'll see you next time.